Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the full page screenshot on Google Pixel 5a. To this, open any app or page that you want to take a full screenshot, and I'm gonna go for the settings in this case. Now press on the combination of the lock key or power key and the volume down key at the same time. You'll make a screenshot. Here, go for the capture mode and adjust the scale of the page. So I'm just gonna go with full page and click on save. From here, this image should be sent to the gallery and you can see it right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.